Mathematics, Chapter 1st, Real Number, Class 10th, Exercise 1.3. Question number 1st. Prove that under root 5 is a irrational. Okay, so first we will discuss the rational numbers. Rational numbers which can be represented in the form of P upon Q, where Q cannot be equals to 0. And now we are talking about the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be represented in the form of P upon Q. Okay, so that numbers are known as irrational numbers. So here we have to prove that under root 5 is a irrational number. So let's see. Under root 5 is a rational number. Okay, here we are using contradiction method. Therefore we can find two integers a and b. That means we can represent it in the form of a upon b, where b should not be equals to 0. Okay, such that under root 5 is equals to a upon b. Let a and b have a common factor other than 1. Then we can divide them by a common factor and assume that a and b are co-prime. So a will be equals to under root of 5 into b. Now squaring both the sides, we will get a square is equals to 5b square. Therefore a square is divisible by 5, and it can be said that a is divisible by 5. Let a equals to 5k. Here we wrote a in the terms of multiple of 5, where k is an integer. So we are replacing a equals to 5k in this equation. Clear? So we'll get a new equation. 5k square is equals to 5b square, or we can write it 5k square is equals to b square. Now this means that b square is divisible by 5, and hence b is divisible by 5. This implies that a and b have 5 as a common factor, and this is the contradiction to the fact that a and b are co-prime. Hence under root 5 cannot be expressed as p upon q, or it can be said that under root 5 is a irrational number.